Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to speedrun into building your own app from a project on Dashwave and collaborating with your colleagues and friends. So first of all, we're going to create a new project. We're going to name it Pratik's Metro. It will be a Kotlin or Java project. Then we'll link the SCM repository of the project to our project. We're going to copy and paste the Github link over here. And the configuration has started. You can see the configuration logs right over here. In the meantime, we're going to connect our local work in progress code base to this project. So I've already cloned the code base and opened over Android Studio. We're using the Android Studio's terminal to run this command for initialization. As you can see, it has successfully initialized. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how Dashwave actually works. So first of all, we ask you to connect your SCM code base to the project. From there, it fetches the code, commits, and other related information. Then we ask you to connect your local code base, which has a work in progress changes and everything, and we sync it over our cloud and we configure it, and then you can run builds. After you run a build, it runs on powerful builder nodes which has a good amount of resources and uses distributed caching so that you don't ever build any griddle task which was ever built on the history of Dashwave. When your built APK is ready, we run it over emulators which is running on the cloud and then stream it over to your browser so that you can share it over to your friends and colleagues for feedback. Let's head over to the project and see if it's ready. I think it's almost done. Yes, right. Now we're gonna copy this build command and run the build right over here. Let's wait for the build to show up. Yes, and you can see the build logs right over here. So while it builds, I'm gonna show you quickly how the distributed caching works. Right. So let's say that the user one creates a project one using repo X and it has three little tasks, task A, B, and C. Right? And when he runs the build, task A, B, and C's cache get uploaded to the central distributed cache storage, right? And then the user 2 comes in and creates a project 2 using the same repo, right? And he makes certain changes to the project, which affects, let's say, the task C. So whenever he runs build on Dashwave, the Dashwave is intelligent enough to fetch the cache artifacts of task A and task B so that it doesn't need to build and it builds only task C, so that the builds are very fast, right? And you can see that on tasks which have cache up to date marked on them, right? From cache or up to date, right? These all tasks are fetched from cache artifacts over the projects. Usually these build processes take more than a minute, let's say 2 to 3 minutes on local machines, and configuration alone takes a lot of time, but on Dashwave, you can see that it has already completed. Right? And it's for a few seconds more. Yes, and you can preview the app right over here. The emulator boots up, and the app is ready. Right? You can use it, you can play with it, analyze it, right? You can view the logs right over here, and you can put comments, right? Right? And you can share it. So I'm going to share it to my other email ID. I'm going to the user, right? And I should see the invitation email right over here. And we're going to view the app right over here. We're going to take a couple of more seconds. And you can see the comment here. You can quickly reply. So this is Dashwave.